overnight parts from Japan.
Read it.
I can't read that. You read it. Freaking needed this thing. Window regulator. Get that boy done today so we can have a door in the Supra again. Woo boy. Here we go. Here's that BMW quality, ladies and gents.
It's held in my plastic anyways.
So I'm back from SEMA, and that means I'm gonna, well, I don't know if you guys have paid attention, but I'm gonna be doing daily content again. Shorter videos, but still videos. I'm gonna try and do every single day, so just take that with a grain of salt. Garen's been pretty busy since I've been gone. Working on the IS, we're doing the full interior swap. Once I get some stuff done, we're gonna start the manual swap and NAT build. We've got this car that he's been working on a little bit. We're gonna do a rear bumper again, but today we're gonna put on the body kit. I got so much stuff to do, and I'm ready because like over the past few years, I focused so much on putting as much into 2 to 3 videos a week as I can, but like that's just not how YouTube works at the moment. So really short, sweet, to the point content almost every day again is gonna be great. Make sure you guys enter into the super giveaway. We're doing a few things to this car before it goes to one of you guys. Yeah, let's go to Delira's. Delira has painted my Cliq Tuning front and side skirts today, and it's gonna look terrible because this car is insanely muddy from when I went streeting and almost got arrested. Hooray! Hooray! Do you think this thing's gonna make it to Mansfield and back? Yeah. Yeah? That was a quick yeah. I like the confidence. This thing looks good painted, dude. Oh my god. That is sick. It's a little windy today, but we're here with Jose Delira. What's up, brother? What's up, man? Got it painted, boys. It looks so good. I didn't give it to him in the most amazing condition, so I'm kind of shocked. I'm not shocked because he's amazing. Ooh, it's gonna look so good. Let's get it mounted up. Ooh, baby. Hey, also, she made it, dude. Aren't we proud of her? Oh, I still have the nut and bolt over here, so we're good. Oh, this is gonna look so good, bro. This is gonna look so damn good. It is so close to the bumper, but it doesn't technically hit when we're all the way bolted up. I think we'll be good. I think. I got the stock rear bumper on today. We're gonna end up doing a little bumper cut in the meantime to make it look cool, but here it is right here. We still need to do a lot of modifications because nobody makes a kit specifically for the wagon, and the wagon actually goes, as you can see, it's very unique. The only bumper that actually goes down like that. Don't know why they just didn't make it like the sedan, but this is a sedan rear, and you have to just modify it and chop it to fit that little curvature of the hatch itself. Race car. Big thanks as always to our boy Jose at Delira Designs. Make sure you guys hit him up if you guys need any body work done. To finalize this, we put my wheels on the car and it looks so good. It kind of completes the kit having wheels that are actually a little bit wider than the car, so it looks awesome, dude. I also put my favorite color. My favorite color is chartreuse. It's my favorite like accent color for a car, so they're like super not permanent. They're very temporary at the moment, but got a little chartreuse accent right here. And I'm actually gonna be working with somebody to make a livery for the car, so It's gonna be so sick. This kit's a bit controversial. I'm not really sure why. I feel like you have a really bad taste in cars if you think it looks ugly, but obviously the idea is to replicate 90s style, like a JZX would have, or like any other BN style car would have. And so like IS300s have kits like this. It's not abnormal for a BN kit, BN style kit for a coupe or a sedan. So we've got this and I'm super stoked. So obviously we're gonna finish up the rear with Jose, but in the meantime, the bumper cut actually looks really good, I think. And it looks pretty aggressive. I love it, dude. Have you seen it with the bumper cut looks good, dude. What do you think? Looks good. I think the bumper cut looks fuego. It's not professionally done by any means, but it's a drift car, boys. This thing is turning into such a cool car. A little mini track monster, little final bout style car. You know what I mean? Little knuckle up action. It's sick, dude. I'm so glad that we've pursued OE Plus and stuck with it. This car's been really good. Obviously we've broken some stuff in the rear and we need to do some upgrades, but that's drifting and that is part of it. Big thanks to Cliq Tuning for making a cool kit, because this is my favorite. And if you think it looks dumb, then you know what? Your mom dropped you on your head as a child. Right, Garen? I agree. He agrees, and Garen knows. So, got a few more things to do to this car. In fact, maybe some boost. This car's gonna be so sick, and we're gonna turn it into the biggest party wagon ever. My daily advice from you guys is to learn through the hills and the valleys of life. You can't have the high moments without the lessons you learn in the low ones. It sucks to go through the hard times, but those are the most defining points in your life. So if you're going through a hard time at the moment, I absolutely get it. I get it, dude. I know hard times. I get how it is. Learn those lessons that you need to learn sooner than later, so that you can get yourself out of the ruts and continue on with life. Have an amazing day, and we'll continue this build, IS, and a couple new ones on the channel soon. Hope you guys are enjoying the daily content. Love you all. Peace. Oh, and make sure you win the Supra. Yeah, go win the Supra. Enter into that right now. Go to the link right now. Okay, bye.